Hi, it's Meredith Liepelt with some tips for you today on how to make a promotional video for your e-product. The first thing you're going to want to do is have a good, strong introduction to your video. An easy way to do that is ask 3 questions that your clients and customers would be thinking in their own heads. For example, are you someone who, and then fill in their pain, or does X, Y, and Z keep you up at night? Ask 3 questions that make them say yes. What that does is it engages them in your video and wants them to watch more. What you give to them next is the body of your video, and that introduces your product name, but also the benefits of what your product is. Make sure that you're speaking in benefit words as you are talking about your e-product. Then at the very end, you want to have a very strong call to action. Give them one thing to do, whether it's click on a button or call a phone number or visit a website, whatever it is, pick one of those things and tell them that is what to do next. That is going to help you create more sales as you start to promote your new e-product. I hope this has been helpful for you as you create a promotional video for your e-product.